In this video I will show you how to fix Airflow error missing Airflow UID variable. You can see when you run Airflow Docker Compose file, then you will get this warning. So to fix this, follow these steps. First of all, go to the location where you have Docker Compose file of Airflow. Here create.env file is shown here. Then open this file in any text editor. Then paste down this 2-line of code. Then press Ctrl+S to save this file. This first line sets the user ID for Airflow process to 50,000. This means that the Airflow process will run as user with ID 50,000 on the system. This is common value to avoid conflicts with other system users. Here we have sets group ID for Airflow process to 0, which means that Airflow process will belong to root group so Airflow can access necessary files and directories. Now again go and run docker compose up command and you will be able to run the command with no warning related to Airflow UID variable. You can see there is no warning. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.